what's going on? You guys already know who it is. Your boy Bobby from Mentourme.com. As you guys know, I'm a consultant, a life coach, an investor, an entrepreneur. My goal is to fuel your financial future and give you all the nuggets you need to be the best you financially so you can win in this world. Because life is very expensive. But here's what's crazy. Right now, a lot of you probably have financial problems, working check by check, don't have savings, credit may not be good, want to own a home, want to own a business, whatever the case may be. Guess what season it is? Tax season. In the next 14 days, at least 65% of Americans is about to be paid a nice tax return check based on, of course, those who receive checks. Now, I want to really think about this for a moment. Now, here's the first thing you should be doing, okay, when you receive that money, okay? You got to think about this. What problems did you have before you received the money? Okay, a lot of you don't realize the reality is some of you are living check by check. So are you going to save at least 30 to 40% of your tax return? Number one, saving is key. It's key to investing. It's key to life. It has to become an everyday habit. Saving 30 to 40% of every dollar you make, not just the tax return money, but your paychecks. Number two, understanding a lot of you have borrowed money from friends, family. You have a lot of IOUs, and the last thing you're thinking about when you make this tax return money is paying people back. If you owe a person money, I'm telling you, so there's nothing worse or there's nothing more embarrassing than knowing that you got a tax return money and a person knows that you got it and you didn't pay them their money back. This is why a lot of us lose a lot of great relationships in life, personal, business, because you don't like to pay your debts. If you borrowed money from a person and you're about to get a tax return check in the next 14 days, it's important to pay people back that you borrowed money from. Number three, understanding that credit is more valuable than cash. I don't care who you get your credit fixed from. It's important that you get your credit fixed. A lot of you every year, you're about to get your tax return. The first thing you do is, I'm gonna fix my credit, I'm gonna fix my credit. But when you get your money, the last thing you do is fix your credit. And it's sad because the reality is a lot of you still haven't realized that credit, aka leverage, is more valuable than cash. Number four, how do you retire? A lot of you work 9 to 5s, and I get there's nothing wrong with that. Some of you are entrepreneurs. So some of you have what we call 401ks. The first thing you should be thinking about if you do have a 401k is it enough? And if it's not enough, can you contribute more money into retirement by, of course, maybe opening up what we call a Roth IRA by going to your local money center bank, which is like Bank of America, Chase, all these other banks here, or opening up what we call a traditional. The difference between the two is this. A Roth is you're going to pay taxes today, okay? Compared to traditional, you're going to pay taxes at 59.5. There's also different type of retirement accounts, what we call self-directed IRAs, which is self-directed into real estate. Every profit you make is, of course, tax-free. We also have what we call, of course, SEP plans. It's for more corporations, simplified employee pension plans. Okay, you could contribute up to $49,000 of your annual income. People, it's important to understand there are so much different ways to, of course, invest into your retirement. You could also invest in retirement by simply buying a piece of real estate and letting the positive cash flow be your retirement account money. But I prefer you to go self-directed IRA because, again, it's tax-free. You don't have to pay the capital gains tax. Number four, okay? It's important to understand, have you invested into yourself? Investing into yourself could go in a lot of different aspects, okay? Physically, okay, by going to the gym. Mentally, by, of course, starting to buy educational books to, of course, start learning how to be a better you and how to manage your money better. And, of course, you could always invest into Formula 59 on Kindle, which is my ebook, teaching you how to manage money, which is only $14.99. Okay, it's important to understand, people, if you want to win, you have to learn what to do with money before you receive the money. I know these tax dollars is about to reach, of course, the world today, and a lot of you are just anxiously waiting patiently. You just cannot wait to get your hands on that money. But are you making plans on the money before you receive it? Do you know where you're going to be investing it? Do you know what you need to do with your money before you, of course, touch the dollars of IRS? People really think about it for a moment. You work so hard all year. And some of you are working check by check. Some of you have no savings. Some of you have no credit. Some of you have no asset ownership. And you ask yourself why? Because before you make money, you never take time to think about what are you going to do with the money. The first thing you want to do is spend the money the minute you make it. And this is why it's hard for many of us to create generational wealth, because why? We haven't mastered managing money. We haven't mastered self-discipline. I hope that, of course, March 22nd, don't forget, guys, I got a show to teach you how to get out of debt. For a lot of you that's having saving problems, that don't know how to save, that can't figure out why you're not able to save, that's working check by check, make sure you get on Mentourme.com, click the products tab, and come learn how to manage your money and get yourself out of debt. And of course, as you guys know, March 1st, I'm teaching you how to make $510,000 per day trading stocks for beginners. If you never traded stocks ever, this is the show for you. It's a $1,000 investment. Go on Mentourme.com, click the products tab, and come learn how to make money faster, easier, and smarter. compared to working 40 to 50 hours a week just to make $500-600 a week. Really think about that for a moment. Mentourme.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate all the love. People in my DMs, people that like me, people that's booking me for shows, people that of course show me that they appreciate everything that I'm doing, people that of course are investing into my ebooks, people that are booking me for webinars every single day of the week. Mentourme.com. May God bless.